Welcome. We are in our new fifth wheel. It is a 2003 Holiday Rambler Presidential. Outdated, no updates have been done, so I'm super excited to show you around and kind of give you an overview of what we're going to do with this cutie. Okay, so right off the bat, we've got the china cabinet. We're thinking we're going to keep the bottom part and remove the top and possibly use this as like a coffee bar area. Swinging over here, we've got a nice big wall. And I've got a special little mid-century plant teardrop that I'm going to put there. So I know that for sure. Got classic dinette and sofa in the slide out. New dinette here, smaller. And then this is exciting because we're going to actually put our house couch that we had in Jacksonville in here. And it is a gorgeous leather couch. I'm super excited about it. We'll be taking down the upper cabinets, redoing the slide out border, obviously taking down the curtains and all that jazz. So over here, we've got two recliners and the most beautiful window you've ever seen. Yeah, beautiful. I'm so pumped about this window. We're going to turn this area into a desk and a record cabinet. Of course, that's coming with us, kind of little combo area. So when I work, I'll be able to gaze out the window. Swinging around, we've got the other slide here, which is the kitchen. And so we're going to take out, I guess, this half of this big wooden block slide thing here, and turn this into a little bar area. We love our cocktails. And it's going to be nice to break up all this wood, this big structure here. We'll paint, make this pretty. Believe we're going to replace all the cabinet doors, which we haven't done before, so that'll be fun. One of my other favorite parts is the island. This is like a huge upgrade from our current kitchen, the counter space, having the island, having this big sink. We'll probably put in a new sink here. I think we're going to leave the microwave and these doors up on this one. So that's the living area. And then up the stairs, we hit the bedroom and bathroom. So let's look at the bathroom first. So we'll be replacing both this and the counter little sink area down here. You know, we love the gold, so I think we might keep the shower as is. I know a lot of people rip it out, but I think that ours isn't that bad. I kind of like it. So swinging over here, we've got the water closet door and then some storage here. So let's go in the bathroom first. Just your typical little water closet. Probably take that down. I'd like on this wall to be able to put in a little area for me to do my makeup and hair, but I don't know how much room that we've got down there. So we'll have to see about that. Let's see. And then this is like this is actually a washer and dryer closet. Oh yeah, by the way, they left us some stuff. Yeah, they vacationed down here and only used it in the winters. So they said they're going to leave a few items and they left their whole wardrobe. But this is a nice big closet that I think we are going to put Brennan's guitars in, possibly put some shelves or like our winter coats or something in here. This kind of closet we don't have on our current RV, so I'm excited about that. I'll be doing something with the doors and the knobs too. Bedroom. So first things first, cabinets out, and we're putting a big old king bed right here. So maybe some floating shelves kind of over here above the window. the dresser area here. Again, so much storage compared to what we have. So super excited about that. Probably recover the counters and maybe just keep it as is. Take out these upper cabinets here so it looks a bit bigger. And finally, the star of the show, the big ass closet. So we've got so much room in here. I don't even need to bring my clothes. I have a whole new wardrobe here. But it's going to be really nice to have basically quadruple the space we have in the closets now. So we'll be redoing that slide cover as well. And that's it. So can't wait to get started. We're going to take it slow, do things right, and we'll be documenting the whole thing. So if you're in the process of renovating an RV or thinking about it, you can follow along. We're going to keep this in our IGTV series under the Ramblr 2.0 renovation series.